Hello there. If you're waiting for something exciting to happen, forget it. This is an 11.5-minute cartoon, and I'm going to take an 11.5-minute nap. Oh, and Odie's not here. He's visiting John's brother out at the farm. Oh, and John's at work, so nothing can bother me.
Garfield! Wait till you see what I've got here.
I don't know what it is, but I'll bet it's a storyline.
I brought you a new friend. Thought you could use the company while Odie is staying at Doc Boy's farm.
John thinks I'm missing this. And this. And this.
My editor is out of town, but he's letting me take care of... Ta-da! His parrot, Paxton! Aren't you excited, Garfield? Paxton talks. Go ahead, Paxton. Say something.
You call this a house? It looks like it was built to store fertilizer for the rest of the world. And this furniture. If you ever want to get rid of it, you'll have to have it reupholstered before the dump will accept it.
My editor left the country and didn't take Paxton along.
I can see why.
Well, I'll let you guys get to know each other. I have work to do.
So, Garfield, what do you do all day?
A lot of this.
At first, I didn't know it was a cat. I thought it was a hairy basketball.
That's right. I'm taking care of my boss's parrot, Doc Boy. Hey, how's Odie?
As you can hear, he's doing great. So, what's this parrot like?
Well, he's kind of funny in his own odd way. Right now, he's probably spreading joy all over the neighborhood.
Did you know that 62.3% of all mail contains bad news?
No, I didn't know. I've been delivering mail for 37 years.
Well, don't worry. You won't have that job much longer. Email is already making you obsolete.
It is?
I'll be bringing Odie home later today.
Okay, I gotta go. I think my mail's here. See you later, Doc Boy. Hello?
Don't call me Doc Boy!
What was I going to do next? Oh, right, the mail. Herman, what's wrong?
Here's your mail, Mr. Arbuckle. I'm sorry, 62.3% of it is bad news. But don't worry, I won't have this job much longer. I'm obsolete.
Did you hear something? If I didn't know better, I'd think it sounds like mice crying.
And have you seen what they're putting in cheese these days? Plus, they're building better mousetraps. I'm just saying. And remember, even though Garfield won't eat you, there are plenty of cats out there who will.
Paxton, why do you always look at the bad side of everything?
Why? Why? Come on, I'll show you why. Watch this.
Good afternoon. It's 4 o'clock and I'm Sylvia Tuba Player with the 6 o'clock news. Our top headlines. Today in the world, this happened. And in another part of the world, this happened. And in several other parts of the world, this happened. Meanwhile, in the stock market... Just trust me. You don't want to know.
Oh, that's so depressing. I'll call Liz and see what she recommends.
Haven't you ever had fun? Haven't you ever laughed? Well, I'm going to do it. I'm going to make you laugh. Music, maestro. So, wasn't that hilarious?
Laugh? I thought I'd never start. You should leave comedy to the pros and stick to what you do best.
You are about to become an ex-parrot.
Liz suggests we take him to Dr. Whipple.
You're not taking me to any doctor.
Wait! Come back!
Good riddance. Having him around was too depressing.
Oh, if I lose my boss's parrot, he'll fire me!
That's even more depressing.
Oh. Search the neighborhood. I'll go this way. You go that way.
We just need to follow the trail of depressed people.
It's just awful. A parrot told me that I,
The gourmand with a capital G, the world's most famous food critic, is grossly overweight, maybe a few pounds.
Oh, it's awful. A parrot just told me that I'm putting on so much weight. I'm starting to look like Eddie Gourmand, the world-famous food critic.
Oh, it's awful. A parrot just told me that I'm annoying and conceited and that I make some people physically sick just to have me around.
Hey, when he's right, he's right.
And there's so much mercury in a fish, you can take your temperature with a halibut.
I never knew everything was so awful.
Oh, not only that, but the air that we breathe.
We're taking you to see Dr. Whipple. And if you're nice, John will buy you some ice cream.
Oh, great. I'm lactose intolerant.
All right, now, just lie there and tell me how you got to be so utterly and totally negative.
Well, I guess it all started when I was an egg. My mother started passing out recipes for omelets.
What? That's awful.
Dr. Whipple will cure Paxton's down-on-the-mouth outlook. He's a brilliant man and very strong.
Here, take this poor parrot home. I can't help him. I can't even help myself.
Oh, this is terrible.
Hey, if you really feel like crying, wait till you see the bill you're gonna get for this. And not only is this planet doomed, but have you seen the fall TV schedule?
Even massive quantities of lasagna couldn't cheer me up now.
Can't you think good thoughts about anything?
What? Name me one thing in this world that's pure and innocent and happy.
Huh?
John, I brought Odie back.
Hey, I'm glad to see you too, boy.
Hey, even I'll admit I'm glad to see you too.
Odie, this is our new friend Paxton the Parrot.
Hey, knock it off, mutt! You don't know where that tongue's been. It's unsanitary. It's messy. It's kind of nice in a way. Hey, is he always this happy?
Hey, you think this is happy? Try throwing a stick he can fetch. He'll be your best friend forever.
Gee, I never had a best friend. I never had a friend of any kind.
Huh? Aw.
Looks like you've got one now.
What's this all about, John?
I'm not sure.
It's about a parrot who's finding a whole new way to look at the world.
Wow! It's been 6 months since my boss took Paxton back, and now I can't believe that Parrot has his own TV show.
What's so odd about that? I have my own TV show, and a darn good one at that.
And now, here he is, the most popular motivational speaker parrot in the entire world, Paxton.
Thank you. You're beautiful. And you know what else is, people? Life is. You just have to know where to look. I'll be talking about that on today's show, about how there's wonderment and love and happiness out there if you just let it in. But first, I want to dedicate tonight's show to my best friend forever, Odie the puppy. Hiya, Odie.
Odie, that's you!
Well, the 11.5 minutes is almost up, so this is the end of the cartoon. I'll just add that Paxton's right. Life is great. But it's even better with pizza.
Consider how amazing the Earth is, how fascinating each and every person on it can be.